course, I do want to talk about SellerApp listing optimization and some of the benefits that we offer to our users, of course, and how we help you improve the visibility of your listings. We have actionable insights and recommendations that help you with proven strategies and convert clicks to sales with detailed analysis, along with a listing quality score that will kind of determine whether your listing is appropriate or not, or that if you want to make changes to it. And why use SellerApp listing optimization? I think it's one of the ways, or automated ways, where you can really identify where your product listing stands vis-a-vis your competition, and also how to better that. It really closes the gap on your on-page strategy and maximize your profits with product listings built to compete.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.